Ready to ditch bulky wallets and embrace the future of fast, secure payments. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on using Revolut for point-of-sale or POS payments, whether you're a customer or a merchant. First, let's look at paying as a customer. The simplest method is contactless using your physical Revolut card. Just ensure your card has sufficient funds and tap it on the POS terminal displaying the contactless symbol. Most transactions under a certain limit will process instantly. For payments exceeding that limit, you may need to enter your PIN on the terminal. Alternatively, you can use Revolut's mobile app for contactless payments. Open the Revolut app on your smartphone. Make sure you've added your Revolut card details to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Select your Revolut card within either of those platforms. Hold your phone near the POS terminal, authenticating with your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode as required by your phone. and that's it. Now, let's consider accepting Revolut payments as a merchant. While Revolut doesn't offer its dedicated POS hardware, the easiest method is to integrate a POS system that accepts card payments. Make sure it's capable of processing MasterCard or Visa, since those are the networks Revolut uses. Customers can then use their physical or virtual Revolut cards just like any other debit or credit card. Simply process the payment as usual through your POS system. Revolut POS payments are designed to be convenient and secure for everyone involved. Enjoy a smooth, modern transaction experience. Whether you're buying your morning coffee or running your business, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Revolut tips and tricks.